Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the air shroud, loosen the screw on the side cover of the device and unlatch the cover to remove it. Find the air shroud and lift it out of the system. To reinstall the air shroud, place it back in the system. Relatch the device's side cover and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your DELL system, visit dell.com/support.